Oh, here we have a Mk7 Transit non-heated windscreen type. We're going to put a Mk6 heated windscreen in it, and let's see how easy it is. Well, I've taken the passenger side trim off, and as you can see, if the camera focuses, you've got the two wires here for the screen, an earth and a live, which obviously clicks there. Then the top earth one, we go to the top one, but the passenger side, driver's side, sorry, there's no actual heater wires at all for it. We've gone back for the loom, and there's just nothing there at all, which isn't a very good thing. But here where the switch goes, we've got the wires for the switch. Luckily, we took the whole wire loom out of the Mk6 Transit, so we might have to end up putting that in here. Just the heated windscreen type. We'll have a quick look. Just going to see whether the connectors are here by the battery for the 40 amp fuses. As you can see, between the 200s there and the, what's that, 60 and 100, that's where the wires should be, and there's no wires at all there either. So it looks like we're going to have to put the Mk6 heated windscreen part into this Transit. As you can see, there's just no wires here for it, even hidden. So we're going to have to put the wire loom in. Right, here are the two relays from the Mk6. If you want to look at the part numbers, if you're doing the same thing as us, here's one of the relays. That's one from it. Well, I think one of them is a timer relay. Should be about 5-6 minutes. When you push the button till it switches off. Yes. And here's where the relays would go in the Mk7. As you can see, there's just no wires behind there at all for it to clip into. It just falls out. Right, here's the Mk6 wire loom which we stripped down, and this is what you got. Obviously you've got the two wires. The windscreen goes to earth. The other two from the windscreen go to two relays. Then from the other side of the two relays goes to car battery with the 40 amp fuse. Make sure your cables are thick enough if you're doing it. And the other parts of the relay go to this on-off switch. I'm sure there's some diagrams on Google that you can have a look at if you're a little bit stuck. So it's quite simple really. So you've got two lives either side of the windscreen, left and right. Yeah, there's my two 40 amp fuses, and that red cable is going to go to the battery. That's my on-off switch from the Mk6. I've got a Mk7 ordered up, so it will fit nicely in the dash. It's pretty simple really. Obviously we've got two 40 amp fuses there. That's for two sides of the screen, passenger and driver. So if one side doesn't work, the other side will. And it goes into here. It's very, very simple really. Well, here we go. This is the driver's side. Just got it coming down the pillar over here. And the passenger side, connect to that. Live. The top one's going to be the earth. There. And I've got it all under the dash behind the actual dashboard. Well, here's the button. I've just put two little lights on the there, as you can see, just to see when make sure it's all going to work when I click the button. Okay, and I'm going to do a timer test to see how long it stays on for before it shuts itself off. Ready? Here we go. We've got power there, which is all good, both sides, and it lights up. Right, well I've done the test, and it stayed on for 6 minutes, about 6 minutes and 4 seconds, so that's not too bad. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of steam on the window and see what happens. Right, I've just put my cup of tea there, just to get a little bit of steam on the screen. I'll push the button, just see how long this takes to disappear now. Hopefully it won't take too long, as it's only a little bit of steam. We should see it eventually just disappear. Anyway, I hope this video's helped some of you out. Yeah, look forward to the snowy weather now. There you go, it's disappearing lovely. Perfect. Okay, thanks for watching.